Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel New IB All Designing Developer. Like in the previous videos, we have done many of the things using DSA, and we have previously on built an amazing social chat app, and I hope you understand that social media application which we have built in our previous video. So that was the big video, I hope, and I understand that, but that's what really helpful for you. So today in this video we'll be covering a DSA project, and today I will be telling you that what is complexity in DSA in Python, and from start I will be telling you how to use complexity, which tag is used to use complexity, and how we'll be using it in Python from start. So if you understand this video and if you enjoy this, remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these projects. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing that what is complexity in Python and how we'll be using it from start. So just like I've telling you today in Python DSA video, I will be telling you that what is complexity in Python using DSA. So for using complexity, I will be moving to my new VS Code window, because we are using VS Code here. Like in the previous videos we were using when we were building projects using Python in artificial intelligence plus DSA as well. So now I will be moving here, and now we will be not using terminal, because previously on when we were working with DSA, so we were using terminal as our Python command prompt. So now today in this video I will be making a new file, and then we will be working on Python there. So I will be now writing the file name like you can say Python, and I will be now saving this Python file. But remember, you have to write .py here, and then you have to save it on any location you want. So I will be saving it on desktop, so it will be easy for us to open our file if it is closed, or it will be easy for us to find our file as well. Then I will be pressing create file. You can see now we are getting a small Python logo. If I show you, you can see like this, we are getting a small Python logo. It means that your file has created in the Python format, and now you can run this file here. So now if I just show you, and we have to check this file once when we write a print tag here. In this value I will be writing this is a print tag like this, save it here. Then we have to move to the terminal, and after moving to terminal you have to now just run this. So for running this you have to move to cd desktop and write here python.py, which is our file. Press enter. So you can see now your file will be running. If it does not run, it gives any error to you, so you can just use terminal as your simple command. So you can see like this, it is giving error to me, so I will be moving it to Python. Or you can directly move to Windows PowerShell. Here you can see this is the Windows PowerShell. Here you can directly write Python, and you can see you can now start your Python code here. Or you can also use the command prompt or terminal. One terminal is here, but I have not installed terminal. You can use command prompt here, but I think terminal is good if you have not installed. So remember to install. I have not installed that because I use command prompt, but you can install if you want to work on terminal. But I'm using Windows PowerShell. You can also use this if you're not having terminal, because we have to download it manually. Now if I write here print tag, and in this print tag I'll be writing this is a print tag like this, and then if I close and press enter, you can see now this is running here. It is saying me this is a print tag. Now we will be working on today's video what is complexity. So basically complexity is also an algorithm like we use you can say arithmetic operations in Python. Like when I just write here like 3 plus 2 like this, if I write this algorithm, you can see it shows me the answer of 5. So like this the this algorithm is working. And complexity is also a type of algorithm which you can use to work like these all operations, but in a different way. Like if I write here complexity and is equals to like 3 plus 6, you can see nothing happens, because we have to define this complexity using the print tag. So I will be writing here print, right here complexity, close and press enter. So we will be getting the answer of 3 plus 6, which is 9. So press enter. You can see now we are just getting the answer 9, because now we have print complexity here, and in complexity we were getting our arithmetic operation which is saying 3 plus 6. So like this you can just use this. So there are many other options from which you can use complexity. This was the one option which I am telling you, but today in this video I will be telling you 3 options. So this was the first method, or you can also say options or method. So this was the first method which I have telling you how to work with complexity when you are using it with print tag or any other. And the second method I will be telling you that how to use it as multiply and division method. So for using it with the multiply and division method, just you have to directly do a simple thing, like you can directly move in the print tag. You can write 3 multiply by any number value you want. So I'll be pressing 5 and press enter. So you will be getting the answer 15, because 3 5s are and 5 3s are 15 is the answer. So press enter. You can see now we are getting another method value of 15. Now like this you can use complexity here. So if I write here input value, and in this input value I will be writing complexity, and I will be writing here like this, press enter. You can see now we are getting the value 9 because in the complexity tag we have defined 3 plus 6, but now we cannot remove it from Windows PowerShell. If you want to remove, you can close Windows PowerShell, then again you have to open Windows PowerShell and do the same command Python to run this, and then you can work on Python. You can see now I've run this command, we are getting the version of Python which we are using, and then this three arrows, which means that now you can use Python. So remember, when you are getting these three arrows, you have to also one time check that it is working or not. So for checking, you can use the print tag. This is a print tag, like this command I will be writing again. And now you can see if I just write this command, you can see now it is working. So now we will be using in input tag. So previously when we were using, we cannot use that because we have already used complexity with the arithmetic operations, and because of that I've closed Windows PowerShell and open it again. So complexity should be removed with the arithmetic operation which we have used here. So I will be now pressing enter, so we will be getting only complexity written. You can see, so it is giving me some error. It is saying that not like this, you can use input with the is equals to value. So I will be writing is equals to and right here complexity, and then you have to now press enter. So you can see nothing happens. If I print this in the input, press enter, you can see now we are getting complexity written, means that with the input tag you can also use the complexity here. You can use complexity as your input value, as your output value as well. Like print is an output value, so we can use complexity in the print tag like an output value, and like input is an input value, so we can use it as an input value as well. Like now when I'm using it with the input value, so it is giving me the complexity manually written. So you can just do, and you can use complexity like this. So there are many other different ways where you can just use. You can use it with data structure algorithm like we are doing in this video, and we are learning about data structure algorithm in all the Python videos. So just you can write here DSA is equals to, oh, by mistake I press enter. So I will be writing DSA is equals to colon and write here complexity like this, and then you have to press enter. You can see nothing happens, complexity is not here. Now print DSA with the help of print tag. So when you will be printing DSA with the help of print tag, so you will be getting complexity manually written like we are getting at the top when we were using the input tag. Press enter here. So you can see now we are getting complexity, means we can use complexity with the DSA tag as well. So this was the way which I want to tell you. So these are some of the methods from which you can use complexity. So I hope you understand basically what is complexity here. I've just telling about complexity many of the times in the DSA videos, but if you have not focused on this, so remember to check that videos out, because that will be really helpful videos. And if you check that, so it will be really interesting videos for you, and you will be learning many things from that videos. Remember to check that out. Remember to learn that all stuff, so you can just be a good developer, or you can say you will be having a good knowledge of DSA, means data structure algorithm. So I hope you understand this video. If you have understand, enjoy this video, remember to hit a like, and if you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, a notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these projects using these all amazing languages. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.